I've been awarded Security and Defense Plus Seed Grant in a bilateral collaboration with Arizona State University. The project idea is to develop an artificial intelligent approach to design novel refractory alloys optimized for 3D printing. So we're going to be using a reinforcement learning approach to explore thousands of virtual alloy compositions and then select the best candidates and validate them through 3D printing and also high temperature mechanical testing. And with hypersonic vehicles, jet engines, and nuclear systems all requiring materials that can withstand temperatures up to 1000 degrees Celsius, we need new alloys designed specifically for modern manufacturing methods.
Both the US and Australia, they will benefit from this project because the potential output of this project are going to be materials that have very high mechanical strength, that can resist very high temperature, and that can operate at very extreme conditions. So those conditions are basically required for security and defense applications. I am a theorist, and my collaborator from UNSW, he is expert in doing experiment. So it can close the loop from design to prototype. So we can deploy this outcome of this material in a very much shortened time.
The benefit of this project is that it will enable rapid and local manufacturing of critical components that are connected to priorities for Alcoa's initiatives, such as hypersonic systems. It will also help defense agencies and manufacturers by addressing critical vulnerabilities in the supply chain by enabling manufacturing of these critical components on demand.